Bore da, I'd like to show you around this modern 3-bedroomed holiday cottage near Aberdaron today. Sleep 7.
Sing you to sleep every night, and I will wake by your side. Through every pain.
So 3 bedrooms in this one, 1 double, 1 twin and 1 family room with a double and a single in it. That first double is actually on the ground floor. There's a nice lounge then as well, of course, downstairs with a log fire and a kitchen diner next door. We're a couple of miles outside Aberdaron here. Aberdaron is a lovely seaside village, beautiful sandy beach there, a couple of really nice pubs and a bakery and chip shop, things like that. Lots of hidden coves in this part of the world as well. One of my favourite places in the whole world, Porthysco, is just a couple of fields away from here. But if you do jump in the car, if you head 10-15 minutes east from here, you'll be in Abersoch, more pubs and cafes and stuff there for you to enjoy as well. Let's go back inside. Bye.
You are the one I will hold tight through every winter wind. You are the one I will cover through every storm that sends. To prove that love endures all things, oh love endures all things. Through every pain and sorrow, the adventure of tomorrow, for the joy of every morning. Through every pain and sorrow, the adventure of tomorrow, the joy